This is the playground of an elementary school at Love Canal area in the USA in 1978. After a big flood has washed over the ground, flowers and trees started withering and toxic substances leached out of the ground. Local residents complained of pain. Investigation confirmed that 9 out of 16 babies were born with defects. The village was built on land where a chemical company buried 22,000 tons of toxic chemicals in the past. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency closed the school in 1980 and declared the adjacent areas where 800 households lived as an environmental disaster zone. The Love Canal incident shows that damages will increase if contaminated soils are not properly remediated at the right time. Afterwards, the U.S. has enacted the Superfund Act to properly handle the contaminated areas with toxic chemical substances. The Korean government also carries out annual surveys on the land condition of state-owned areas, including railroad sites, the USFK bases, and the Korean military bases. The market for restoration of contaminated soil is rapidly growing with various newly developed technologies. Dr. Taehoon Ko's research team at Korea Railroad Research Institute is drawing attention for an innovative technology of remediating the oil-contaminated soils.
마이크로웨이브를 활용해서 유리염 토양을 높은 온도로 가열함으로써 토양에 흡착된 유기오염 물질을 정화하는 기술이 되겠습니다.
The thermal desorption method, which is commonly used to clean up contaminated soils, is to heat the soil at a constant temperature to volatilize or desorbit pollutants from the soil. It is usually used to remediate soils contaminated with volatile organic compounds. However, the thermal desorption method has a disadvantage in that it costs a lot, since it needs to burn fossil fuels such as diesel oil or LNG to generate heat for decontamination. Also, emission of carbon dioxide from burning fossil fuels can cause a secondary issue to the environment.
기존의 열철착 기술은 화석연료를 이용하여 유리염 토양을 직접 가열함으로써 이산화탄소 배출이라는 이차적인 환경 문제가 발생하였으며 고가의 화석연료 비용으로 정화에너지 비용이 증가하는 한계가 있었습니다. 하지만 본 기술은 마이크로웨이브를 활용함으로써 기존 시스템에 비해 경제적이고 화석연료 연소에 따른 이산화탄소 배출 문제를 최소화하였습니다.
The new technology is based on the mechanism of microwave heating, where microwaves from a magnetron interacts with heating materials in the system. By integrating technologies from mechanical, electrical, and electronical engineering fields, the new technology greatly reduces energy cost of remediation. The new technology has another advantage to decontaminate more various polluted materials. With an evaluation of the adaptability of the microwave heating technology and the existing thermal desorption method, the new technology has saved energy cost by 70% compared to the current system.
본 기술은 기존 기술 대비 정화에너지 비용 약 70% 절감, 그리고 이산화탄소 배출량 약 50% 저감이 가능해서 국내외 철도 및 군부대 부지의 유류오염 지역, 그리고 유류저장고나 정유사 주변의 오염지 정화에도 크게 활용될 수 있습니다.
This new technology can be applied to large-scale remediation projects for oil-contaminated sites, not only in Korea, but also in oil-producing countries such as oil-contaminated soils around oil drilling sites in the world.